Generative AI in music production. Music has always been a reflection of human emotion, culture, and innovation. From classical symphonies to modern beats, each era brought new instruments, tools, and styles. Today, a new revolution is tuning the creative process. Generative AI is becoming an invisible bandmate, composing, mixing, and even performing music. How AI is composing the future. Generative AI in music isn't just about auto-tune or beat matching. It's about creating original compositions, melodies, harmonies, and rhythms based on parameters set by the user. Tools like IVA, Amper Music, SoundRaw, and Google's Music LM can compose background scores for films or games, generate lo-fi beats for streaming or studying, create royalty-free music for YouTube videos, assist in songwriting and lyric development. These tools analyze vast data sets of music styles and genres to generate original compositions tailored to mood, tempo, and even instruments. Collaborating with AI in the studio, professional producers are now using AI to generate initial melodic ideas or chord progressions, experiment with unusual combinations of sounds, create harmonies or backing tracks, enhance post-production, e.g., AI-assisted mastering. Rather than replacing producers, AI acts like a co-composer or session musician, offering inspiration on demand, voice synthesis, and vocal AI. Beyond instrumentals, AI is also transforming vocals through AI voice cloning, e.g., Respeecher Synthesizer V, deepfake singing, replicating famous artists' voices, real-time pitch correction and style transfer. This allows artists to sing in voices they don't have, collaborate with AI vocalists, revive or emulate legendary performers, ethical beats and controversial tracks. AI in music raises tough questions. Who owns the rights? The human, the AI company, or no one? Is AI-generated music truly original? What happens when AI mimics living or deceased artists? Lawsuits and debates are emerging over copyright, licensing, and artistic identity, especially as AI-generated tracks go viral. A new era of global music. AI makes music creation accessible to non-musicians, indie content creators, students and educators, multilingual and multicultural artists. Users can generate music in styles from around the world, Afrobeat, K-pop, Bollywood, bossa nova, and more, without needing to master traditional instruments or studios. Future of AI in music. Expect innovations like interactive music scores that adapt to users' mood or the weather, AI bands that perform live via holograms or VR, emotionally intelligent music engines that respond to biometric feedback, generative music experiences in games and virtual environments. The line between composer, listener, and performer is blurring. Music is becoming a living, co-created experience. If you are new here, please like, share, and follow my page for more videos. Thank you for watching.